Hi, Josh. It's Liz from college.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
trying to get a taxi, but my phone's dead.
Well, hop in.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like, Rockstar, from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This head-up display is the smarter way to use your phone behind the wheel. Hudly Wireless lets you navigate, talk, and text without looking down at your phone. Used for decades by fighter jets to safely navigate the skies, Hudly is now bringing this futuristic tech to your car. Fumble with your phone while driving? Hudly is for you. Reduce distractions and chances for an accident with vital driving info directly in your line of sight. Customize your drive by casting any app onto the clear display that doesn't block the road. Directions float on the road, guiding you to your destination. Enjoy crisp image quality in all lighting conditions. Keep your eyes on the road and drive with 100% confidence. Hudly is the proven solution for stress-free, safer driving.
The Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor actively monitors your car's engine and internal systems. Simply plug it in under your dashboard and sync to the free Zeus Smart Driving Assistant app. Hit scan, and the Zeus Safety Center will scan your vehicle for any issues so that you won't find yourself stuck on the side of the road. As you drive, the Zeus app continues to gather data and monitor your vehicle. If your check engine light comes on, the Zeus app can help you understand what's wrong in simple terms and how to fix it. Clear the light yourself for minor issues. Hit the road with confidence, knowing that Zeus has your back. Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor by Nanda.
Let me introduce 70My Smart Dashcam to you. It's an innovative meat ecosystem product from China. It supports intelligent voice control and app connection, makes recording easy ever since. Integrating AI algorithm, 70My trained the voice recognition model with more than 20,000 different voices, accents, and dialects.
Take picture.
Photo was saved.
The 70My is equipped with Sony IMX323 image sensor, which helps maintain high-definition image quality even on cloudy days or the dark of night. Meanwhile, the 130-degree wide-angle lens covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 70mi is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 70mi to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 70mi app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 70mi is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is Uncommon 70mi Smart Dash Cam.
Introducing Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa. What you love about Amazon Alexa now in your vehicle. Just say Alexa to make things happen. Stream audio through your car stereo. Enjoy your music, your playlists, your way. Access news, weather, sports, stock markets, and more. Turn words into actions by asking Alexa to order stuff and make lists. Say, Alexa, ask Garmin to get visual and spoken turn-by-turn directions. There's also a built-in dash cam that records your drive. Remotely managed smart home devices, lights, locks, thermostat. Passengers will be entertained with games, jokes, and trivia. Choose from thousands of skills in the Alexa app. You'll be amazed at what you can see, hear, and do with Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa.